Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the video editor Power Director. This is the one of the best video editor. This software you can able to use the professional video editing or your short film, or you can make some advertisement. All type of video editing you can done using the Power Director. Okay, the special of this Power Director is what it's user friendly. Anyone can able to easily learn. It's look like a Windows media player. Okay, so many of the people know about the Windows media player, so it's look like the same, but it have more features, so you can able to what enjoy using the Power Director. Okay, so the first we want to select full feature editor. Okay, so this is the Power Director environment. So yeah, it's look like a normal video editor. All the video editors have these types of what panel. Okay, so here this is the panel of what media panel. So this panel we can able to keep all our media files. So first we want to know what is the media files. Here the video editing, normally we use three types of media files. The one is the image, the another one is the video, and another one is the audio. The image also have more formats, and the audio also have more file formats. The video also have more file formats, but this software support almost all the file formats. Okay, so you don't worry about that. Some of the softwares require some converters, maybe format factory you want to use to convert before the editing, but the Power Director mostly support all type of video editing softwares. So this is the media panel. So here we can store all our video files. What are the files we need? Okay, so here we can able to store all our video media files. But and this right side is the preview panel. So here we can able to check our work, what are the edit to be done. So here we can able to watch the final output. Okay, so this is the preview panel, and here it have some tools. The first one is the media, and second one is the first three are the effects, and this T defined the text. Suppose we want to add any text, we want to click the option T. Okay, so the next one transaction effect, and another one adjustment, another one is the audio recording. Okay, so it's look like very simple. It have very less number of tools. You may think, yeah, it's look like very simple things. There is no extra buttons are there, but all the effects are hidden. Okay, so we can able to select what are the effects, what are the editing options we need. In that time, we can able to select all the options. Okay, the next important things, this bottom. Okay, it's look like some lines, correct? Here it have some lines like a track. Okay, it's like a railway track. It's a track. So this is called a track panel. So here we can able to keep our video files or all the things. Here only we are going to keep all the editable files. Okay, this is the editing area. So here we can able to, it already default it have two layers. So at a time we can able to edit two video or two audio files in a single screen. And suppose you need more layer panels, then you can able to add more layer panels. Okay, using this button. Suppose you give the plus button, automatically your layer box number will be increased. Okay, the step one, first we want to select all the files. What are the files we need for editing? So the small tips, Before editing, you collect all the required files, maybe image or video or audio. You collect all the files and store all the files in a single folder. Okay, you don't keep your files in a multi folders. Okay, so it's very difficult to use, so you keep all the files in a single folder. Suppose you can separate files, maybe the audio files, video files or image files, you can separate. You don't make more folders, it's more difficult for you. So the first step, you want to click here. Okay, just watch my mouse cursor. Okay, so okay, so when you click that first button, it asks import media. Okay, so normally the other softwares, it asks open file, open, but the video editing or audio editing, these types of things, it asks import. Okay, so here open means it's import. Export means what, you are going to produce the output, then it's called export media. Okay, so here this is the option import media. So here it have some type. Import media files means you can able to select one or two files. Okay, or you can select some files, but import media files means you can able to open the whole folder. Okay, that's what I already told you. Keep all the files in a single folder, and it have some other options. Download media from Cyberlink cloud. Nowadays, you know, everything we store all our data in a cloud. So suppose you have Cyberlink login, then you can able to store your media files in a Cyberlink cloud. So you can able to use that particular file. So here it have this option also. So you can able to download the files from the cloud. Okay. So normally when I give the import media, it will come. So normally like open. Okay, so here you can able to select the files, or here you can able to select the full folder, then you can give open. Okay, so I already told this is the media panel, so I already opened two sounds and some of the images and two audio. Okay, now these files are suppose you can able to open some extra files also. Final time you can take the decision, so you just take all the files here. Okay, for your view, so you can able to pick from here. Suppose you need any one of the file, suppose you want to take any one of the photo, just click here and you just track, and you can able to fix here. Okay, just mouse click and fix here. So this is the procedure for here. Okay, so you want to keep all the files in the track. Okay, so this is the example. Here I keep all the files. Okay, I select some of the files and I keep here. Okay, the first exercise, slideshow maker. Slideshow maker means suppose you have some photos or small clips of videos, then you can able to make one slideshow. Normally you done these things in your mobile app. Okay, nowadays the mobiles also have more different apps, so you can use that app. So what is the difference between that app and this professional editing software? The normal app, it have some restriction, maybe it come with maybe some of the softwares it ask 8 photos, some of the softwares have the maximum number 20 or 30 something, but here it have no limit. Suppose you have thousands of photos or you have thousand clips, then you can able to edit. Okay, so that is the different thing. Same time you can able to add your favorite audio, and you can able to edit the audios also in this platform. So that is the difference between the professional videos and suppose you have the original version. So here there is no bookmark also. Okay, so first I keep all the files here, then I just select all the files. Okay, just mouse track, I can able to select all the files. Okay, just I select all the files using my mouse arrow, or you can able to click one file and you can able to give control A to select all the files. Okay, after the selection of the files, you can find out one small, before that you can't able to view this slideshow. Okay, so that's the what different of other software and these types of video editing software, all the buttons are hide. Okay, so when it required, it automatically come to the top. Okay, when I select all the photos, it automatically come slideshow. So it's a very easiest one. It also have more templates, so you can able to select your favorite template, and you particular in the spot you can able to check the preview. Suppose it's not good, then you can able to select some other some other templates. Okay, suppose in my system I think it have 10 templates. Suppose you need some more template, then you can able to download it from internet. Okay, so when I click that, it will come here. So here it come with some of the template: camera, normal, motion cell, scrapbook, something. Okay, 3D, all the things. Okay, so you can able to select anyone. Okay, I select, then automatically it create a slideshow. Normally the video editing required some extra what hardware requirement. Okay, normal laptop means it takes some time. Okay, but normal these softwares normally it's support for all the normal laptops. Tomorrow I will introduce another one new software for our VFX. That software also support all type of normal systems. Okay, so this is the small preview. So here I can able to modify. Suppose I need customize, maybe I want to change this photo to here and this photo to here, I can able to modify. Okay, that is called customize. After that I give the next button. Okay, so now the timelines is updating. So yeah, you just imagine the previously it come with some more number of photos, but here it everything is cut shorted, maybe it converted to the small video. Okay, so now it's a small video is here. So it have no audio. Okay, some of number of flower images there, I create one slideshow, but it have no background. I select, so I select one song. Okay, here I have the song tum hi ho, so I select that song here. Okay, so this is the current scenario. So here is our slideshow, but here this is the audio. The audio length is very big, correct, but the slideshow is very small. You can understand the top you can able to watch the timing: 50 second, 140 second, 230 second, 320. The song length is 410, but the audio have nearby 15 seconds I think. So we want to crop, or we want to match the video file and audio file. So I just click the end of the audio and I just track. Okay, it's very easy, just we click and we can able to track. Then finally we will get the two audio, the video and audio length is same. Okay, so now I just give the zoom. Okay, you don't think about some other option, I just give the zoom. Okay, so here it's a video and here it's audio. So some people ask, can I edit the audio using the video editor? But nowadays all the video editors come with audio editing option. Okay, so here the spot audio editing is there. So I just what zoom this area. Okay, then I can able to easily view the audio. Okay, so here is the audio. Inside the audio you can find out one small thread or line. Okay, it have some dot, or suppose you have no dot, you can able to click, then automatically the dot will create. So that time you can able to moving that dot. Suppose you rise the dot here to here, then automatically the sound will increase. Suppose you want to reduce the sound, or what the down the dot, then automatically the audio will decrease. Okay, suppose you need mix some audio, one or two audio, means you can able to open another one audio in the layer 2. So here it's a layer one, it's a video file, the another one is the audio file. Suppose you want to add another one audio, then you can able to take the particular file and you can able to fix into a layer 2. Okay, and you can able to adjust the audio of the both audio files. And after finishing off the work, you want to select the produce. Okay, produce like a save. Here it have two options. Suppose you have, if suppose you do file save as, then you can able to save your file in a project file. Project file means you can able to edit anytime. Suppose you produce your file in a video file, then it's a video file, then you can able to play that particular video file in a mobile or your TV or somewhere. But normally these types of produce softwares produce HD, okay, high definition video you can able to produce. But here this software provide Dolby Digital 5.1, okay, so you can make your audio also effective one, and automatically it reduce, automatically it what, delete the noise also, so you don't worry about that. So these types of professional software give some more extra support for us. So here it come with more audio file format, AVI, MPEG2, Windows Media, all the files are there. So you can able to select what are the file you need. Here also you can able to change. Here this is a very important one, the professional, the profile type, Windows Media Video, 9 full HD, it's 1920 into 1080. Okay, so you can able to increase or you can decrease the size here. Okay, after all the setting you just give the start, then it takes some time. Okay, normally suppose you save any one of the document files or maybe some presentation files, it's within 2 or 3 seconds it can save, but video file it takes some hours. Maybe you have the video length as a 1 hour, it take nearby 3 hours to save. Okay, so here I have very less time, so I'm not going to produce any file, just for demo. So now I come to the another exercise. So the manually also we can able to generate the slideshow. Okay, normally some of the template already is there, so you can use that template. Suppose you have suppose you need some of the new type of template, means you can able to create the new templates. Okay, so same way I select all the images and I keep all the images in the down or the track box. So now I click here, okay, this option. So here it come with some number of some effects in between effect, this is called transformation effect. So normally the power director it have nearby 300 of templates. Okay, so suppose you need any other new template, means you can able to download. Okay, so you just click and drag between the two images. Okay, now so this is the, when I click and I can able to insert, so this is the, it show, you just check the one and two images, the intermediately I added some effects. Okay, so finally we can able to produce, or maybe we can able to add the we can add what, we can add sound, text and everything. Okay, the next important thing, yeah, already we see about the image editing and the audio editing. The next one, very important one, is the video. Okay, normally nowadays everyone using their video. Okay, so here this is the very important one. So here I have two videos for the demo. The same way I just keep track the video file, it look like this. Okay, so the video files mean it have their own audio also, correct? Suppose you take one of the video using your mobile phone, automatically your background audio also recorded, correct? When you take the video, the audio also automatically recorded. So the video files always come with audio, but we can able to only hear the audio, we can't able to watch the audio, correct? Normally suppose it's a movie, you can able to watch the only the video, you can hear the music, but here using the video editing software you can able to watch the audio also. So the top is the video and the bottom is the audio. Now you understand. So this what the track files. So it have what, the top is the video, it's visible, correct? The bottom is the audio file. So now you can able to delete the particular video, or you can able to delete the particular audio, and you can able to add some other new audio, understand? So you can able to do any type of video editing, or you can able to what, do some colorization, or you can able to use some effects, but all the buttons are hidden, okay? Some of the buttons only visible: modify, fix, exchange, tools, keyframe, edit audio. These types of only limited number of effects only visible, but it have n number of more effects. So suppose you want to do the effects, then you want to right click. When you click the particular layer and you want to right click, okay? Okay, when I right click, then the now new panel is open. So it have more options, correct? So you can able to do something. Suppose I adjust this a movie location will change. Okay, and scale means we can able to zoom. Opacity means suppose you have 2 or 3 videos in a single track, then you can able to move the opacity. Then you can able to watch 2 or 3 videos in a single video. Background you can able to watch some other videos also. Okay, so this is a small the fundamental effects, and some other options also there. So these things are very important one: the shadow, reflection, border, flip, 3D settings, fades, all the things, okay? So you can able to give some shade, reflection effects, border. You just go through that and you can able to easily understand, okay? So fade in, fade out, all the effects also you can able to do here. Okay, another important thing. Now I am going to change the audio of the particular video. This video have one particular audio. Now I can't able to play this. Why? Because it's a video editing. The same time, the streaming and all the softwares are running in the background. So suppose I play the video, it hang my system. That's what I keep everything in a presentation mode. Okay. So when I right click inside, you can able to find out more options. Okay, maybe the mute clip means it stop what it mute the audio, okay? The stop, it's a different word, but it's a mute means you can understand the audio will, the video will play, but it have no sound, but it have the sound, but that time it's what, muted, okay? So this is the option, it keep the source file but it's not playing, so this is called mute. And another one option is there, important option: link, unlink video and audio, okay? So I already told the video file come with the audio file. So when I click the link or unlink, it split the video and audio in a different phase, okay? Understand? Now these two are joined, the video and audio are linked, okay? So I make unlink means the video is separated, the audio is separated, then you can able to delete the particular video also. Understand? When you suppose it is a mute means the audio also there, but you can't able to listen. But unlink means you separate the video file and audio file, then you can able to move the audio, you can able to move the video, and you can able to delete the audio, you can able to insert some other audio, you can able to do more operations, okay? So normally myself, every time I prepare link or unlink video or and audio. So after that unlink, I can able to move. Okay, so this is the example. I can able to move the position of the audio. The previously it's in a particular place, correct? So here now I can able to move the audio to my recorded location, or I can able to delete also. Just I click the button delete, it automatically deleted. Okay, now I can able to insert some other audio. You understand? So already you have one source audio. You just imagine, suppose you take any one of the video from, maybe you take one scenery. You just imagine that time the wind sound and all the noises are recorded. Okay, so you can able to delete that particular audio, and you can able to insert some other audio also. Okay, so I have some other new song, so I can able to add this song here. Okay, I just click and track. So now I change the original audio. This is the new audio. Here also I can able to edit, or I can able to increase the sound of the audio, or I can able to or decrease the audio sound, or maybe I can able to give fade in fade out all the effects here. Okay, and another one thing, important thing, it's a power tool. Okay, so the power tool is the very important one. So the name also you can find out, it's a power. Okay, using this software is option, you can do something here. You can able to convert 2D to 3D video in reverse. So this is a very important, very interesting one. You can able to change your video in a backward direction. You can able to change back to front to back. Now you can image, suppose you are running in the front side, after that the video in reverse you go backward direction, correct? Okay, and another one is the crop and zoom, and another one is the audio what speed or video speed you can adjust. So this is the very important one. You can able to increase the size of the what speed of the video. Okay, suppose your video is very slow, or you are dancing in a very slow, then you can able to increase the speed of the video, or you can sometimes, suppose you can able to slow down, make the slow down also you can able to do using this option. Okay, so it come with this option when I select video speed here. So this is the panel. So here I can able to adjust the duration. Suppose nowadays the WhatsApp accept 30 seconds of our status, so you can able to create the video in a length of 30 seconds. Suppose you have a 35-second or 40-second, you can able to convert that particular video into a 30-second. Here you just type it in a 30-second and give OK, automatically your video converted into a 30-second. Okay, so just right click and I select here. Already I explained about this position, all the things. And this motion is very important. Suppose you want to move, suppose some particular object, maybe your college icon or something is in your screen, you want to move, maybe slow by slow, or it's in a faster, anything you can able to move. Suppose you have any one of the small video clip or small image, then you can able to move. So this is the path, moving path of your video, sorry, your clip. Maybe it's a video or image or logo. So you can able to select any one of the thing, then you can able to customize. Okay, it's not a proper one. Suppose you want to change small angles, means you can able to update. Okay, the finally it's a mask. Can you imagine that what is mask? Okay, I will show. So this is the mask. So I select the heart and I just apply. Now this is the frame. Now you understand. Now I make already my frame in a rectangle. Now I change it into a heart shaped frame. So this is the mask. So you can able to select any type of mask, and you can able to increase the size of the mask, and the same time you can add 2 or 3 masks for the object. Okay, and sometimes you can create your own mask also. Okay, the next one is the text. The text one is very important, and normally these types of text come with more type of animation effects, correct? So we can able to customize your own text also, text animation also. So you want to select the T and you will get more types of text options. So you can insert the text in the front of the video or middle of the video or back of the video or end of the video. Okay, so three method you can able to add the video. Normally nowadays everyone keep their video in the what top of the what video. Okay, maybe the previous day they keep some special background for the text. Nowadays we can able to add the text in any part of the video, or maybe suppose you have any slideshow, that location also you can able to add the text, or you can able to give the some captions, or same time you can able to give the subtitle. Suppose you are taking in your maybe suppose you have a YouTube channel, you can able to speak all the content in your own language, then you can able to create the subtitle also using this T. It have a number of subtitle options. And tomorrow I will teach another one software. That software also have more text option. That tool is more advanced compared to this one. Okay, so that's tomorrow we are going to do the VFX effect also. So tomorrow we can able to change the background and we can able to make the animation. So today it's a very fundamental thing, so it's a normal thing. Okay, so the text option I clicked here. Okay, in my system I have only two. Why? Because I already delete all my text template. Why? Because every time I make my own template. That's what I keep only two. So this is okay for me. Why? Because I can able to customize every time. Suppose I need any one of the new text, then I can modify. So normally it come with some template. Okay, so here I already use all the templates. So all the templates are old for me, so I already deleted. So I keep only one as the big font, another one is the small font. You can understand. So this Sam is the very, this is a subtitle template I have. Okay, so suppose I want to change this name, I just double click. Okay, when I double click, this special window will open. Okay, so you can easily understand. Here it come with some different font styles. Here it come with more effects, and you can able to create the path. What is the entry path of the text, what is the exit path of the text. You can able to make all the animation setup here. So you can able to make new variety of what new variety of your new text. Suppose you think it's a new my, you can able to implement your own creativity here. Okay, so after that you can able to save your template. So before it have the effect. So effect means the two types is there: starting effect, ending effect. So what is the entry, how the object want to entry? Maybe it's a fire entry, or it's a blur entry. Okay, or it's a flower entry. So you can able to select any one of the thing. Okay, here it come with more. Suppose you want to some other extra effect, you can able to download. Or another one good thing, the power director, it have some special website. Inside the special that particular website, it have more template. So every time they post, maybe some of the users also post their new types of styles. So we can able to increase it, or we can able to copy that particular types of effects, then we can use that. And another one is the motion. It already we studied. So same thing, we can able to keep the path, maybe where my text want to enter, what is the exit path, we can able to customize everything. Okay, so the text is the very important one. So you can able to finally end, you can able to credit video, and you can able to make the bookmark. Sorry, bookmark means it's a watermark. You can able to create every time. Suppose you have any YouTube channel, means you can able to always, you can keep your maybe your logo or your text full of your video, then no one can't able to copy your video, correct? So you can the whole video you can able to keep some copyright slogan or your logo, everything. Finally, when I give the save button, it asks the name. Maybe suppose you create any one of the text text effect, then you can able to save. Then finally you can able to use like that. It also the system consider this also a small piece of video. Okay, small piece of video. So you can able to keep this file in a video track or text track. The bottom it have another one T. So here also you can able to fix your text file. Okay, so you can fix the top. So video is the back side, the text is the here. So suppose the color is not good, so you can able to change the color, the font, you can able to change the font, you can change the size of the text, everything you can able to change. Okay, next, join two videos. Okay, so this is the very important one. You can able to join. So this is the first video. I take another one video in the back of the particular video, then I can able to join using the just mouse track. Okay, so and another one special good things is we can able to what we can able to give some transaction effect in between. Already I tell that in between we can able to add some transaction effect of image. Same way you can able to add the same effect here also. Okay, I just join these two. So now I select the effect, then I can able to track here. Okay, okay, now you can understand. So now here I fix the effects. Normally suppose without any effect, just when it stop it will start. Okay, but it gives some good what good movement, it's look like more beautiful. So same way I already explained about the sound editing. Here also you can able to crop. Suppose the audio length is, so your video length is very high, then you can able to cut. You can able to crop the video size. Okay. Suppose you want to increase or decrease the audio size, then you can able to use this thread for. Suppose you it is not visible, then you just double click this particular layer, then it automatically view. Okay, or you want to wait some time, maybe your system will hang, that time you can't able to visible that line, so you want to wait some time, then automatically this line will visible, then you can able to adjust the audio. Okay, after finishing your all the work, the same thing you want to produce the video. Okay, so here already I explained, so here it have a number of options. So this is the panel of this software. Every software it come with some other panel, and every software have their own unique properties, correct? So here it's a produce, and some other software have the name as export. Maybe our next software will show it's the export. Okay, another one option is there, create disk. It automatically store the data in a CD. Nowadays we are not using any CD drives, so it's not required. So just to produce. And the first one is the capture. Okay, so for the first one option is the capture. So you can able to record the video in a live, but it's not required. Maybe the video tutorial means you want to take your video also. Capture means you can able to capture your face, video, and same time you can able to record the audio also. Okay, finally after the finish, you can able to edit. Everything is a very easy. Suppose you want to spend one day in this software, then you can able to learn more things. You don't need any special tutorials. Okay, so it's a very easy software, that's what I use this software. Some of the advanced level software, because all the softwares you need some learning, or because some scripting also is there, so you want to learn some things. But this software you don't want to learn anything, just immediately you can able to work with here. Okay, that's what I introduced this software. So and same time you can able to produce HD outputs also. Okay, suppose you have any doubt, then you can able to ask. So you can use the chat box for the queries. Okay,